So you believe in energies, like हर किसी की different energy है. So how do you cater to that?
So
First of all, how you get to know about the energy? कैसे पता चलता है?
so it's very person to person. It's very subjective in that sense. क्योंकि टेक्निकली एनर्जी लाइक ऑफ कोर्स जैसे ना मैनिफेस्टेशन के बारे में एक चीज़ बहुत बोली जाती है इंटरनेट पे, लाइक कुछ लोगों को लगता है सम लाइक साइंस और वुडू साइंस और समथिंग सुपरनैचुरल इन दैट सेंस. बट फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे वॉलपेपर की भी बात हुई, तो हाउ डज दैट वर्क, तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट वेरी सिंपली कि बेसिक भाषा में कोई अगर लेमैन देख रहा है तो उसको समझ आए कि हाँ इट मेक्स सेंस. विच इज फॉर एग्जांपल हमारा दिमाग काम करता है कि जब एक बिहेवियर बार बार रीइंफोर्स होता है, लाइक यू गेट स्टिमुलस टू दैट थिंग. तो फोन एक ऐसी चीज है जो हम दिन में लाइक 100 बारी खोलते हैं. सो व्हेनेवर यू सी दैट, तो बिकॉज उसमें वो गोल्स प्रोग्राम्ड है, तो आपका दिमाग सबकॉन्शियसली इन्फ्लुएंस होता है, क्योंकि एक्सपोजर थेरेपी यू कैन से. सो बार बार दिखता है. तो एनर्जीज आर आल्सो वेरी सब्जेक्टिव इन दैट सेंस. हर इंसान की एनर्जी अलग होती है एंड इट स्टेट्स होती है, जैसे अल्फा बीटा स्टेट्स होती है, जिसमें हर इंसान लाइक इट्स थ्रू देयर लाइफ चेंज होती रहती है एंड थ्रू फेजेस ऑफ देयर लाइफ भी चेंज होती रहती है. फॉर एग्जांपल यू हैव अ वेरी गुड फेज इन योर लाइफ करंटली, तो अलग होगी. दिन में अलग हो सकती है, रात में अलग हो सकती है. सो दीज आर डिफरेंट फॉर डिफरेंट टाइम्स एंड डिफरेंट फेजेस ऑफ लाइफ.
Okay, nice. Do you believe in supernatural powers also? Like those are also, I feel, कि they are kind of energies.
Yeah.
So, do you feel that they are real? They are not real? Any comment on that?
So supernatural powers, like, what are you referring to as that?
Like something which is not of our planet.
Oh, like other species
Yeah,
or something.
other
like
species also we can talk about. Like, do you think that there are aliens?
that? होते होंगे. बहुत बड़ा यूनिवर्स.
Yeah. So no, the supernatural powers. What I mean is like कि different energies होती हैं which are not no more in our world. You know, in the layman terms बोले कि भूत प्रेत basically. So do you believe in that or not?
I would say little bit.
Okay.
इस पे I have, मतलब at least for me, I've been trying to search about this
Okay.
stuff a lot, but I haven't found anything concrete to
Okay.
believe in supernatural things. But I believe कि हर इंसान की as he also mentioned, energies होती हैं,
Yeah.
which can be transformed, which can be controlled, which can be
Okay.
changed for the better.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. Mentalist and astrologer. What is the difference?
I think the core difference is usually mentalism is used for entertainment purposes. It is
Okay.
usual cases
Yeah.
में. We do use it to help people as well. Earlier we also used it for entertainment purposes. Astrology is technically based on like giving or telling someone's future or
Yes.
giving them predictions. This will that is sort of self-help in that sense. Mentalism is more of entertainment. But of course we are, because earlier हम भी जब entertainment करते थे तो people used to ask us कि okay, what you do is great, but how can it help us? So that's why the manifestation wallpaper as well. कि अच्छा the skills we have, it can help someone. The astrology is more about telling about you plus what will happen with you.
Yes.
So mentalism can be about that, but we usually don't do that.
Okay,
that is
so
the-
you can't predict the future for anybody. You can say what is going on and how can you achieve more things.
You can give them a guided interpretation
Okay.
of where their life is going,
Okay.
based on certain signals, certain mechanisms, systems. Like tarot reading is also a type of system.
Oh, okay. So you
you can
do
give
that
them an
also?
interpretation, yes.
Okay.
But necessarily saying कि यही होगा, that I think we can't. I think no one can.
No, just to add to
Yeah.
it a little bit, astrology is more of someone telling you कि आपके साथ ऐसा 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 होगा.
हाँ.
So you are giving them the power. आप उनको अपने ऊपर as a independent being उनको control दे रहे हो क्योंकि
True.
ये बता रहा है and आप उसको मान लेते हो.
True.
What we focus on, whether through entertainment or through the wallpaper or anything, is to give that person their belief back
अच्छा.
and control in their life. कि you are this, we can tell your positives, your negatives, you need to work on that, but we believe in giving you that belief through the power of your mind कि आप अपनी life खुद कैसे better कर सकते हो without anyone else telling you कि आपको ये करना है.
Objective ही पूरा different है. Like I feel कि that is more fear based.
Yeah.
Your is more positive based.
Yeah.
Yes.
The core पे astrology I would say is like nothing against it, but मुझे लगता है, let's suppose if I tell you कि this will happen with you,
Exactly.
and let's suppose you go to someone else and they tell you this will happen with you, what will you focus on? And it's like, and इसमें वो भी एक bias आ जाती है कि अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको पता है क्या होने वाला है, तो then why will you do something? तो एक वो भी है, तो it's like, तो वो bias, it's more of like कि आपको एक direction देना and then like this is your personality like analysis, this is your positive, this is your negative, these are things which you will do which will be better for you based on your personality. ये नहीं होंगे. This is a direction based thing, and we are not predicting कि ये होगा. That's तो फिर I think you will be God if you can do that.
That's true. So your studies like is basically based on psychology